try crocheting a simple cylindrical piece like a hairband or wrist warmers. I explained the basic crocheting method in the previous video, so this time we will focus on how to calculate the number of stitches. First, let's look at the basic properties of rib crocheting fabrics. Here is a 10 cm by 10 cm square crocheted fabric. For single crochet stitches, there are 18 stitches x 20 rows. For rib crocheting, there are 36 stitches x 14 rows. Note that for rib crocheting, this is the number of stitches when the crocheted fabric is fully shrunk. If you want the crocheted piece to be the same length as single crochet stitches when fully compressed, you will need twice as many stitches as single crochet stitches. On the other hand, the number of rows is 0.7 times that of single crochet fabric. Since the number of stitches in one row is 2 times and the number of rows is 0.7 times, the total number of stitches will be 1.4 times larger. Let's weigh and find out if the amount of yarn used is in the same proportion. It is about 1.4 times. Next, let's think about the crocheted fabric that fits the cylinder. This is a single crochet tube that fits snugly around a wooden post. Using the number of stitches per single crochet as a guide, the number of rib crochet stitches that will fit the wooden post will be between 1 and 2 times that number. If the stitch count is the same as the single crochet tube, it will fit the wooden post when you fully stretch the fabric. If the number of stitches is double that of the single crochet tube, it will fit the post when you don't stretch the fabric. In other words, 1x the number of stitches is the tightest, and 2x the number of stitches is the loosest. When actually creating works, what magnification between 1x and 2x should we use? Personally, I feel that it should be about 1.6x. If the number of stitches in one row is 1.6 times that of the single crochet, the total number of stitches will be 1.12 times. You can expect the amount of yarn used to increase by about 10%. Finally, I will check the procedure of actually crocheting the work. First, crochet single crochet stitches using the yarn you want to use and find out how many stitches there are in 10 centimeters. Next, measure the length you want to make and calculate how many single crochet stitches you need. Then, multiply the number of single crochet stitches you have calculated by 1.6 to find the number of rib crochet stitches. Thereafter, crochet the tube to the desired height according to my explanation in the previous video. The tightness or looseness of the crocheted fabric may vary from person to person, so I encourage you to try crocheting and see for yourself. Thank you for watching.